It's a really fantastic price. It's like $36 for 4 people. Wow. Good morning, everybody. You want to say good morning? Look at me. You want to say good morning? Or that. Good morning, everybody. Nice, beautiful morning here in Roxas City as the tide is pulling out right now. And we're going to be opening soon. But today I want to talk about where is another place that you guys can stay that's actually good for a budget that's really close to the Beaver. Well, last week we had Aussies staying with us, or visiting us, I should say, and they were looking for a place that was really close. And I said, listen, I've never been there, but there's a place called JFK Partels, and they're like literally right across. Like there's San Antonio, they're right beside. I said, maybe check over there. Well, it turns out they said it's a great place. They had a lot of fun there. It's a German owner or something. Yeah, German, because he came last night. And so I was like, okay, let's go and check it out. If you're coming to Roxas City, let's find out what kind of options you have. So, of course, the resort, if you're looking for a whole resort experience, which I did a video up there, you know, that's one type of experience, and you're going to pay for that, obviously. But if you're looking for something just cheap, economical, and apparently quite nice, let's go and check out if that's the good place for it. You know, I'll take their word for it, but I also want to go see. And yeah, the owner was here last night, and so he said, yeah, sure, you want to come over and take a look? Come on and take a look. So that's where I'm going right now. All right, so let's just walk over. There's no point in driving. It is literally just right over there. So we'll take a walk over and see. Now, they had different rates. The guys that I was talking with, they had different rates, because one guy stayed for a week. Obviously, you get a different rate than a one night. I believe he does monthly also. And then another gentleman who, one of the Aussies, when he went to the airport, it turned out he didn't have a flight back to Manila. He only had a one-way here, and he totally forgot to book another one. So he ended up staying for a few more days, but he wanted it even more economical, so they gave him a special price. I think he said only 900 pesos a day for 3 days. So 2,700 for 3 days, which is crazy low, right? Especially when you're across the street from the beach like this. So I don't know. He did say it's not the normal room. He got like a really discounted room for that. Guess we'll see. Cafe Felicia over here. It's a nice place if you like indoor air conditioned with like steak. So it's really wonderful stuff. And that's also over there. All right, well, we're almost there. It's like one step away, and we will be there. I don't know whose this is, but my gosh, they got a huge property. See this wall? All the way across, that little roof there, but then they have a big house right over here. Whoever that is, they have a ton of land, that's for sure, right on the beach. That's a lot of frontage. That's probably like 1,000 feet of frontage or something. All right, here we go. So this is JFK Partel Hotel. And as you can see, they have a swimming pool too. So, that's a nice looking place. Wow, can you tell that it's a German that built it? He's got like the best type of roofing. He's got everything going on here. German built places are generally, nothing can stop them. It is older though, so we'll see how it looks. So where's the entrance? I wonder. Is it that door? Or is it this door? Let's go for the big wood door. Okay, so I just met Frances, the owner's wife, and that is where you go. You go to that window there, you knock on the window, and then they come out and service you, no problem. So that is the right place to go. So now they're going to get me the keys, and they're going to show me around. So, oh yeah, I think I see a pool back there. All right, let's go. There is a pool. Look at that. Okay, this place, this is quite nice.
JFK.
Welcome to JFK, thank you. A Partel. Look at this, it's so nice in here. It's a nice spot you got. So how long have you owned this place?
We own the place?
Yeah, how long?
20 years.
20 years?
20 years, and I take it you built it too, right?
Yeah, we built
2004.
It looks German built, I'm just gonna say. The
Yeah.
Germans always overbuild,
Yeah.
right? So they're good for the weather.
We have a double wall.
What's that?
We have a double wall.
A double wall?
You know, if there's a post,
Oh.
stone, you have stone.
Wow, there we go, guys. So he was just telling me that they built everything double wall. So stone, gap, stone. Told you. I knew it. I knew it right away. So yeah, this is really pretty here. And you wouldn't know it from the street at all. Make sure you tie your long hair, okay? No jumping, no splashing. And they got a garden here. I like that, where they have shaped and formed it and all put the plants inside the little gaps. And then when the rain comes, it just runs down the wall. Wow, that's interesting. I bet at night it looks cool though. Oh wow, it's much bigger than I thought. Oh, here's the reception. So you come in the side or you go to that window? What's the, Francis? When somebody wants to check in, do they go to that window?
Yeah.
They go to that window and then you bring them on over here
Yeah.
to the reception. Okay.
It's our entrance.
Right. Wow. So what do you use this area for?
Nothing.
Nothing right now?
No.
Just an open space?
Yeah, that's still an open space.
Okay.
For now.
And I see, but eventually you what, at the beginning, you plan to put a bar here, correct?
We were supposed to plan a bar, but Bertie was suddenly changed his mind.
All right.
It's a lot of work.
Yes. And more stock and staffing.
We are actually not yet completely done.
Well, you're never really done when you own a business.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
It's not yet done, so
Okay, so this is quite the big room. This is like a Filipino style.
yeah.
Big families, right? So this room has 4 beds in here. It's quite cool in here because I guess the walls are so thick. The fan, and you've got a TV here. Oh, and there's air conditioning. But it's not on, and I'm telling you, it is cool in this room. And then your CR. All right, Francis. So this room with 4 beds, how much is it a night?
That's 4K.
4,000 a night?
Yeah, that's good
So-
for 8.
Yeah, good for 8. There you go. So that could be 500 pesos a person,
Yeah.
technically. I don't know where that other light goes.
It's okay.
All right, we'll just leave it. Sounds good. Okay, so this one's got 2 beds here, and they're doubles, I guess. Yeah, gigantic mirror. Holy smokes, custom made. He's got a lot of that decor here all over the place. Yeah, so it's got a split aircon in this one. This is a really big room, actually. It's quite large. You got yourself a little fridge here, but then a little seating area. Again, I love it. It's all wood. Your TV fan. And
Outside.
oh, outside. There we go. And you have a CR with a shower.
Outside.
All right, perfect. Yeah, but this room is really big.
This is 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
See what I mean? Like, oh, maximum 4 people. 2,000 pesos. So that's really fantastic price. That's like $36 for 4 people. Wow.
Actually, all rooms here up is the same
Same price?
price. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the same size also.
Oh yeah, really big. Oh, but this one actually has like a sink out here.
Yeah.
So almost like a
Sometimes
kitchen.
for a long stay.
Right. And this one is one of the beds has a full mattress.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, they both do. That one too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So room 2, if you're looking, that one has the full big mattresses. Excellent. Yeah, you got a lot of room to do stuff if you ever wanted to.
Yeah.
A lot of
actually,
patios.
There's still this is still actually we wanted to make maybe 4 small room.
Okay.
This one.
Oh, make more
So,
rooms over here.
yeah,
Oh, that's
more
smart. Yeah.
rooms, later on.
Right. Well, it's good to have expansion.
Yeah.
And that's just San Antonio's subdivision behind you, right? So there's
Yeah.
not much noise or anything.
There's no noise in that.
Yeah, it's very quiet here.
Yeah.
I don't think they allow roosters in San Antonio's subdivision.
I don't
No,
think so.
I don't think so either.
Maybe some neighbors there.
Yeah, maybe it just outside of their property.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to put the link down below. It is Facebook, okay? So if you're coming to the Philippines, you have to have Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, you're going to have a really difficult time finding anything because most companies don't have websites. They have Facebook pages. So I'm going to put the link to the Facebook page where you can do the booking if you want to book ahead of time. Often, though, if you are down in this area and you're just looking for a place, stop in and see if they have a room available. So there you go, a very economical location with great value. Like, look at the pool. Like a lot of the places that are around this price, they don't look this nice. So there you go, guys. There's a great option, and you're right down the street from the Beaver, like 40 steps, 60 steps, something like that. Really close. All right, so I'm gonna go back over because we have to go and get a tablet because we have been approved and everything is done for Food Panda now. So we are gonna have delivery. So by the time you're watching this, and if you're in Roxas City, you can get... I wish they would do something about these mufflers. They're so loud, these tiny things. Anyway, you'll be able to order on Food Panda our stuff, even if you don't want to come down to the beach. Maybe it's raining or whatever, or just don't have time to come to the beach. You can order and have it delivered right to you. So looking forward to that on my end. I hope you two are as well. Look at this, Archie's transformation from that ugly, not ugly, but like really hairball ridden, dirty pup to this cute little guy who's had a full bath, haircut, everything. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He looks like a whole other dog. How much did that cost?
Just 10 pesos.
Oh, no, it didn't. How much did that cost? How much was the doggy makeover?
1,100.
Woo!
Yeah.
Wow. I can get 2 haircuts for that. No, just kidding. That's actually pretty good. What is that, 20 bucks? Nice. And look at Archie, looking great. Oh, somebody here. I don't know who that is. So yeah, there you go, Archie. Looking good, buddy. Looking good. You look like a whole other dog. And no, the yard's not done because, well, partially our fault. We slept in one day. They couldn't get the keys to the gate. And, but it's not a big deal. We had this raked a bit more. We're still waiting for some rain to really make this grass grow out and really big. Want to deal with this rock stuff in here and everything because we want the grass to keep going. We'll see. We actually want a pool right there, like a wading pool. Just made of cement. When high tide, we pump in some more salt water. Nothing too advanced. She's got her playground here. Look at that. Look at all that sand she has to play in. This rock should not have been there that far, so they're going to start bringing them back.
So clean.
And all of this is going to get shipped out. I know.
It's so clean.
So cute, guys. Woohoo!
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.